So I'm out in my van at the moment. I'm doing a bit of a van conversion, and we've just been doing a lot of work doing the van up as it is. But I just want to make a quick mention about these guys again. Yeah, Hywell have sent me a few more pairs of socks. Now, if you didn't see the last video for Hywell, they sent me these lovely merino wool socks that I have been wearing almost religiously when I've been out and about doing all my walking and hiking and stuff like that. These are so comfortable, so good. And if I want to just give you an update to what they're like, yes, they are brilliant. Almost odor free when I've been wearing them in my boots and stuff like that. But they have sent me some new socks, and I just want to show you them. They sent me 3 pairs, and I don't think they're all different. I think there's 2 of one and 1 of another. I've got the Hywell cards there. This is the cards that they come in, and these are, as you can see, a lot smaller than the last lot of Hywell socks they sent me. They sent me a medium because I've got a size 8 foot, and the medium is the size that fits my feet. These are 53% merino wool, 38% nylon, and 9% spandex, and they are a lot smaller. Now let me just get rid of the packaging, because I've actually got a pair on my feet at the moment inside my boot, and as you can see, my boots are quite a short boot, and these are the socks that are inside my boots. They're quite like a medium calf length sock that fits inside my boots. Absolutely perfect for the summertime. So when I'm out walking and stuff like that, when I've got my boots on, I can put my summer socks on now, which are a smaller version. They also sent me these ones, which are the ankle socks, and these have been absolutely fantastic for wearing inside my Crocs, inside my trainers and stuff like that. So when the summertime's out, or when I'm riding my bike, these are the socks. These are my go-to socks for riding my mountain bike and stuff like that. And then these are my socks that I've been wearing for my boots and things for the summertime, to give me that little bit of freedom and just the extra coolness, if you like, for inside the boots. They've got the same style as the bigger socks. The bigger socks, if you remember, I did the video where they got this padding along the top there, this like ribbed pattern, and they've got exactly the same ribbed pattern along the top. There is a left and a right inside the top of these socks, and these ones, I haven't worn these ones, these are brand new ones. They've got a left and a right in the top there. I don't know whether it makes any difference to put them on the right foot, but I always do look inside and think, oh, right, that goes on my right foot. So maybe the way they're designed is designed for getting them on that side of the foot. I don't know. They've got the same branding on the front, the Hywell branding on the front, and they are really, really comfortable. These are unbelievably comfortable on your feet. I would highly recommend you check them out. But yeah, the Hywell short socks, we've got this one, and then we've got the ankle sock. As you can see there, it's a lot smaller. And then you've got the pair that are on my feet. There's a good possibility that it's 3 different sizes, and I just haven't tried these ones on yet, because like I say, these ones are brand new. I've literally unpacked them in front of you. And then I've got the ones on my feet, which come up about, I don't know, 6 inches up my foot, but they are perfect for wearing with my boots. So that is all I wanted to do. Just talk about Hywell socks again. Do please check out their website and have a look. They've come up with these new socks to make sure that not only the great big long ones that you've seen me wearing before, these are the long Hywell Merino Wool socks, and we've now got different sizes for different foot styles and different types of day out. Thank you for Hywell for sending me. I know this has been a very, very short video. What more can I say about the socks apart from absolutely fantastic? If you don't know merino wool is fantastic for regulating the heat on your feet. They have the odor resistance as well, which is really, really good. They have the ankle protection as well. I've just noticed on there, they've got ankle protection. So in this socks, they do have a slightly thicker on the side of this one. It's really, really difficult to show you in a sock, but there's a slight thickness to the side of the sock, which is where your ankles are, and that gives you that little bit of protection. So they've got them in those short ones, and they've just feeling to see if they've got them in the tiny ones. There is a little bit of padding on the side as well in the tiny weeny ones. So yeah, they are designed to be comfortable on your feet. And because I've had these for such a long time, you can see how many times I've worn them. They're a little bit more ruffled, and they've been through the washing machine a dozen times. Yeah, they do withstand the test of time so far. Quick drying as well, because they're merino wool. when you get those sweaty feet and you've been using, especially if you're using these on my bike, I've been doing the mountain biking with these on, yeah, they do dry out pretty quick if you get your feet wet. And they've got the smart temperature. This is all stuff that's written on the back here as well. And I'm going to do this all in one take because why not? Yeah, smart temperature, thick cushioning, ankle protection, quick drying. Hywell certainly are working hard to get the socks to work around your feet. It says here, from cold mornings to hot days, Merino wool keeps cool, keeps warm and keeps dry, delivering lasting comfort. And I've got to back that. They are fantastic. If I get the first pair of socks I pick up if I'm going in walks and hiking is my long ones, because I like to have my legs protected. I like to have my legs covered up and my calves covered up to stop all the biting. You get the midgie bites, you get the tick bites and things like that. So I like to keep my long socks on. But every day walking around, when I'm out in about, walking around the town, walking around anywhere normal, driving and stuff like that, and I've got these boots on, these are my next go-to pairs of socks. And then if I'm cycling, if I'm getting the mountain bike out and I want something very short, very low profile, and let all the air out, these are definitely my 100% go-to. And I am going to do my best to ask Hywell if they're going to send me a few more pairs in different colors, because they are absolutely amazing. So from me, don't forget to like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and for a 6-minute video, that's not bad, all about a pair of socks. But yes, very, very highly recommended. Thank you again for them for sending them to me. Bob on. So I just wanted to tag this on to the end of the video, and as you can see, I've now got a barefoot. I've just taken my Vivero barefoots off, and I've just noticed that there's 3 different size cards that we had. So we've got this very small one on the right hand side, we've got the medium size one, and then we've got the thicker one. These are the 3 thicknesses, and it made me think, oh, I wonder if there's a difference in all 3 pairs, and there is definitely a difference. So I've had the small ones that, like I said, I've been using for the bike. These are the brand new ones. I've not used these yet, so these would be great in my boots as well. And these are the ones I've actually had on my foot that I've just taken off, and you can see there is a difference in the size of the socks. We've got the larger model there in that card, we had the medium sized model in that card, and then we got the narrow ones in that card. So there is actually 3 different sizes from Hywell, and the 3 different sizes is the tiny ankle sock, we've got the very small calf sock, and then we've got the longer calf sock, and there is an actual difference in the 3 different pairs. And that is why I've now got a barefoot, because this is the one I've got in my boots, and these are the longer ones, which is that one, and I'm going to put it back on my foot. Thank you for watching. Ta-da.